Here's a rag top. We can take a peek at it. Unique, especially in classics. It's a 1966 Chevrolet Impala convertible. 350 underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front grille. Bumper, headlight, surrounds. Take a good look at that. Has had a repaint to black with black interior. Black paint has had some little small touch-up spots on it here and there that you'll notice, but overall shows well. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you take your time looking at every angle of the car, interior, under the hood, trunk, undersides of the car, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on Krieger SS chrome wheels. As we take a look up and down the passenger side of this car, you can see it's nice and straight. Cloth interior. Does have a power black vinyl top, also power windows, power locks. Is an aftermarket JVC stereo added underneath the dash. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. We'll also check out that convertible top engine bay. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You take a look at the rear chrome. Of course, dual exhaust, stating MagnaFlow tips on there. So take a look at the underside pics. You'll be able to see the exhaust pans, and of course the rest of this car, interior, trunk, engine bay. uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's take a look down the driver's side from the rear to the front. See, the paint has a nice reflection in it. Cloth interior appears to be free of really any rips, tears, holes, really much wear at all. Seat belts intact. Take a look at this seat. Power seat as well as power windows and power locks on the interior. Did have the wipers work as well as the blower fan. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Starts easily. Looks like a newer Edelbrock 4-barrel on it. Take a look at the top of the dash. It's a pretty stock looking interior with the exception of that JVC aftermarket stereo. Door closes nicely. Step around to the back here so you can hear it run. Nice exhaust note. Of course, the dual antennas. Great look on these Impalas. Alright, slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this just a bit. Let me get the hood open. We'll check out the engine bay and then we'll put that top up and check out the condition of that too. And here's the engine bay. Take a look underneath the hood. Again, 350. Paired up the automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. A little bit of chrome bright work done back there. Polished valve covers and air cleaner cover. Like I said, looks like newer or new Edelbrock 4-barrel carb. Heater hoses intact. Mallory ignition. It's a nice setup underneath the hood. There's the engine bay. Let me button that up and we'll go ahead and put the top up and go from there. Before I put this top up, I want to point out, and I noticed it when I was taking the cover off, there are some small wear areas here on the top of the seat. A couple where it's been repaired. Looks good. I just wanted to point that out because I said there wasn't a whole lot of wear on the seat, but there is just a few little small spots. You can see right here it's had a little repair. Not bad. Just want to point that out. I'm going to get this top up so we can check that out, and we'll wrap this video up. And here's the top up. Again, black vinyl. Fits nice and tight. Glass rear window. And free of any holes, rips, tears. Looks like it's a newer top. And again, power top, works as it should. Passenger side. Also good shape. Good fit above the windshield all the way across. There you go, 1966 Chevrolet Impala SS 350 underneath the hood, automatic transmission, nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes, power top, power seat, power windows, power locks. Black on black. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1966 Chevrolet Impala. This is a convertible, black on black. This car starts up and idles great right away. It's got good throttle response. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry, and we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. I've got a JVC radio mounted under the dash. It does not power up for me. Both our turn signal indicators are working. Fuel gauge reads over 3/4 of a tank.